Hi, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until you see the RunIQ logo on the screen, or rather New Balance logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the middle button, keep holding it rather. And when you see the New Balance logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the device is done rebooting. And after a couple of seconds, the watch face should appear. That means that the device is done rebooting. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.